So you want to know how to make a template for a wrapped tumbler or mug that's tapered. I'm gonna show you how. And it's really not that hard. So I made a video showing people how to make their own wrapped template design for SVGs for straight glasses and mugs. But a lot of them, like the Starbucks cups, are tapered. And it's a little trickier, but it's not too bad. So let's get into it. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your measuring tape and you're gonna measure the width around, or the circumference, on the top of your cup. That's backwards. The top of your cup, or the widest part, and then repeat that process for the bottom of your cup, or the thinnest part. This one is about 10 inches circumference on the top and about like 8 on the bottom. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and measure the height of your cup, or how tall you want the design to be. This one's about 5. Then go to this website. I was just giving you a second in case you wanted to like pause and screenshot that. And then you're gonna put in all your information right here. So my top circumference was 10 inches, the bottom was 8, the height was 5, and under wrap coverage, I wanna cover 100% of my cup. I don't want any overlap. And the corner radius is just whether you want squared or rounded corners. I want them to be square, so I'm gonna make it 0, and then hit Generate Template. Oh my goodness, isn't she beautiful? Download. Now it's gonna download as a PDF, so you're gonna wanna open that PDF and then save it as a PNG. So here it is as a PDF. I'm just gonna hit File, Export, and I'm gonna export it as a PNG, and I'm just gonna name it Tapered Tumbler. Wow. And I'm gonna hit Save. Now go to canva.com, create a design. I like to do a custom size of 12 by 12 inches because that's the size of a standard cricket mat. On your left-hand panel, click Uploads, Upload Media, and upload your PNG. She uploading. I just dropped her onto my canvas. Now you can design right on your tumbler. So let's do that real fast. Okay, Christmas lights. Okay, now we're gonna do something kind of weird. We're gonna take our tumbler template and we're gonna cut it. And we're actually gonna paste it onto a separate page. And then we're gonna download our first page as an SVG. You can use the drop-down menu here to select that with a transparent background, just the first page. So just checkbox the first page there. Hit download. And then we're gonna download just the second page as a PNG with a transparent background. Hit download. That does require Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can try it for free for 30 days with the link in my bio, and you can download all the SVGs you want during that time. Go to Cricut Design Space, click Upload, Upload Image, upload both of those files. Ran out of time. Really quick part 2, it's already up. Go finish this project with me.